tropical on a beach vibe somewhere. Who knows the last time I purchased a wig? Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural. It is your weekly beauty reporter, and it has been a while since I have purchased a wig. If you see this video here where I purchased wigs from Amazon and this video here where I purchased wigs from Wish, then you'll be happy to know I tried a new company. It was Beauty Forever, and it was really fast. I read about really good reviews because I was needing something different with my hair. If you saw this video where I used the temporary hair dye, I loved it, but I still need something more. So here we have two wigs from Beauty Forever, and I believe I saw another YouTuber talk about wigs she got from here, and so I was like, okay, this looks valid, let me try it out. So before I show you the wigs I got two wigs completely different from each other, but I wanted to show you some of the extra things that came in it. So of course we got our wig caps, which you can never have too many wig caps. You got some clips. What is this? A bonnet, some lashes. Girl, these lashes are, oh, I don't know if you'll see me in them. I feel like lashes are getting more and more dramatic, and I cannot have the dramatic lashes, but we'll see how those look. So those are some of the extras we got, but now I'm going to show you the two wigs. So the first one I'm excited about is this copper looking one. And I usually just stick to black only. It's so funny because one of my older sisters actually just dyed her hair lighter than this, but it's definitely a copper color, and I'm obsessed. So I'm really excited to wear this wig, but this one was a curly wig, and I'll insert how it looked on the model. This does have a lace on it. Is it a full lace? It's just a lace at the top, pre-plucked, I believe. But let's go ahead and just like throw this on for play. I like it on me. It's definitely not on all the way or anything like that. It's kind of thin, I'm not gonna lie. And I can't tell if that's because of the density I chose, but I'm pretty sure I picked like 150 density. I don't even know if I know what that really means. Is it uneven? And I can't tell if it's because I just need to like style it and put it on, but I still wouldn't expect it to be that thin. Ow. It is thin, but I do like this color on me. It's a vibe. The next one, super excited about this. I usually stick to my guns when it comes to length, but my birthday is around the corner, and I was like, birthday vibes when I bought this one. So this one is, and I'll have like all the specific details below so you can take like a closer look at them, but this is just my first quick impression with the actual styling. So it's really long, and it has this wavy texture to it, which I am super excited about. I'm still learning my wigs because I don't even know, like, I'm feeling this too, primarily because of the length. This is how long it is. And I think I really like this one. I wanted something longer. I wanted to go the extra mile. My hair is not jet black. This is jet black. And I think I like the black on me. Excuse the lace. Like, I look crazy with this lace on like this, but I like it. I like it a lot. It'll be different for me. I usually have really long braids, but I hardly have just like really long hair, if that makes sense. So it's usually in braids if it's long, but I like this. Let's see how long it is down the back. So I'm kind of short, so it'll sit like right above my butt, which I'm feeling. This is a vibe. This is definitely tropical on a beach vibe somewhere, which I plan to be. I like this one a lot. So this one, just from the first impressions, I will give a 9 out of 10. It also feels a little thin, but they are human hair wigs, and I feel like I just may need to style it. It doesn't have any weird smells or anything like that. This one I will give a 7 out of 10, just because it is thin, but I do really like the color and I like how it looks on. The lace is nice. It blended really well in with my skin, and so I will definitely, so you will definitely be seeing more of me in these wigs, and I'll be sure to leave all the information down below from the company. I really like them. They reach out all the time. They always have discounts. It seems a little spammy when you're on the website, and those are the ones that I'm always hesitant about, but they did deliver. Let me know where I should buy wigs from next, because I am trying to build my collection. The next one I want is like a ash blonde wig. You feel it? You feel it? Okay, you can see the vision. So that's the next one I'm on the hunt for. So leave a comment down below and let me know what other websites I should check out. If not, I will be using either Amazon Wish or this Beauty Forever company to get my next wig. Subscribe to my channel so that we can keep rolling. I know y'all see this consistency. And like this video if you like me giving reviews on wigs, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.